How are you guys? This is ZR Forex and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, last week I did analysis on gold and it went the way I predicted, and I know some of you made profit, if not all. But this week again, I'm doing analysis for next week. Today is date 18th of January 2024. So guys, before we start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get to it. So guys, that one thing I always do, I always take my analysis on a monthly time frame. Okay, the first thing that I always do, I go to the monthly time frame. I look at the past 1 month. What has been the price doing? If you look at my last video, I marked this candle rather than this one because this candle it is inside this one. So what I do, I mark the high of this and the low of this one. High, and I call it monthly high liquidity, because if price decides to break that zone, it is a liquidity even in a lower time frame. And this lower one, I call it monthly low liquidity, monthly high liquidity, and monthly low liquidity. So if price decides to break this high, we do another analysis. If price decides to break this low, we can guess where the price might go, in any support or resistance zone or any imbalance fair value gap zone on a monthly time frame. After seeing this, I'm predicting maybe gold will break this high, monthly high liquidity. If it breaks this high, then you're going to have a new high for gold. If it breaks this high, you're going to have a new high for gold. If it breaks this low, we are going to this direction and up to this zone, the zone around here, because there's no imbalance around here, there's no imbalance around here, and this one is the next zone. So if gold breaks this low, you're going to 23.93. Okay. After monthly time frame, we go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. 1 week. On a weekly time frame, we see how this past week the prices behave. This one. We mark the high and the low. High. We name it weekly high liquidity. Also, we mark this low. The low of last week. This week. Today is on Saturday, so we still have this week. We name it weekly low liquidity. Listen. If price decides to break this high, there is no other zone. We are going to straight to monthly high liquidity. And I said, if we break monthly high liquidity, we are going to create a new high on gold. But if this coming week price decides to come down and grabs weekly low, then we are going to grab all this liquidity around here on a weekly time frame. So last week I said price will be bullish and price could come around this zone, around here. What did price do? Price came around this zone and then continue going up. So this week we still wait. After weekly time frame, you know the direction. For me, my prediction will be gold will still continue going up, unless otherwise we see change of character on a lower time frame. After weekly time frame, we go to daily time frame. 1 day. 1 day. Okay. So this was on a Thursday. weekly high. Weekly high was created on a Thursday, and weekly low was created on a Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Weekly low was created on a Monday. Weekly high was created on a Thursday. So guys, this red candle was created on a Friday. It didn't do anything. It didn't break the daily high or daily low. So what I do, I call it how inside bar candle, which means on a Monday the trend might continue. We can still go for a buy trend. So I won't mark this. I still mark this as a daily low. Daily low liquidity, which means on a Monday price will move. Price will move Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Remember, we have weekly high on a Thursday, weekly low on a Monday. This for this week. Mostly weekly highs are quoted on a weekly highs or a low are quoted on a Wednesday and Thursdays. So guys, my prediction is on Monday price will continue going up. Let's go to lower time frame like 4. Also, on a daily time frame, we look for possible support and resistance zone. How do we do that? We use Fibonacci retracement tools to find possible lines of support and resistance. But for now we can just zoom. You have a support area around this zone, which price is reacting. Resistance zone, I mean. Then you have a support zone around this area. So if price decides to play there, I can see price going down until up to this zone if price decides to come down. But if you decide to go up, then you are going for this monthly high. And if you go for this monthly high, there's a possible zone around here on a daily time frame. So after a daily time frame, we go for 4-hour time frame and just the 1-hour time frame. That's where we look for our supply and demand zones. So after daily time frame, we go for 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Okay, in a 4-hour, higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high. Then price is starting to retrace. So if you see price starts to retrace, we use Fibonacci retracement tool and mark 50, 60 zones and see where price might come on Monday before deciding to continue with the trend. So we mark from low to high. We take our Fibonacci tool, here Fibonacci tool, low to high, low to high on a 4-hour time frame, low to high. We mark our 50, 60 zone, which means the last 2 days low will be grabbed. Okay, we have a zone there. So my prediction on a Monday, price might come for a daily low, the past 2 days daily low, here around here. Let's come here, then continue going up. That's my prediction. Okay, or price might continue, might reach around this zone and continue going up. If you go to 1-hour time frame, our last time frame before we finish, 1-hour time frame, let us see the zone that we have marked with Fibonacci tool. It is around here. So possibly, I see price coming, retracing to this zone, either here or to this imbalance. What I will do, I mark this imbalance as our next key level. So the daily low liquidity will be grabbed and price might come around this zone. Then we look for our buys to high. So if you're seeing this for the first time, you should be patient on Monday. I'm up to this zone. Then you will come and next week and tell me how the price went. Stop loss to this low. So that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and share this video to help many people to gain the knowledge of gold, how we do gold, how we trade gold. And see you on a Monday. I hope you are trading to be profitable. Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.